Today we're going to be talking about folk tales. What do you know about folk tales? The definition of a folk tale tells what folk tales always are like. Look at the poster in the middle of our screen here. It says folk tales are made up stories that have been told and retold in different cultures for a long time. They teach a lesson and the characters are good or bad. So as you have heard or read Baby Rattlesnake today, does that fit your definition of a folk tale? Is Baby Rattlesnake, does it have a lesson to teach us? Did it teach us a lesson? Were there characters in Baby Rattlesnake that were good or bad? If that's true, then it is a folk tale and it's been passed down. A story that's been passed down through many generations and retold. And it doesn't have to be from one culture. It can be other cultures. In other words, it can be from other countries as well. There are folk tales that are told all around the world. There is one folk tale that is it's a Vietnamese folklore. This is a folk tale from Vietnam that I would like you to read on ReadWorks today. So I'd like you to go to ReadWorks and read this folklore or folk tale. Does it fit the definition of a folk tale? Why or why not?